Hi everyone, this is Horma from Garden Plant Lover. Welcome to my channel. I am going to introduce white Oxheart tomato today. It is my very first tomato. I grow it for the first time, and this tomato is quite large. It weighs 14 ounces. I thought it would be around a pound, but not. But it is a little bit less than a pound. So let me cut it inside and see what's in there. Wow, it is pure white. It's the description was, oh, it has a very good tomato flavor. The description was saying that there would be pink stripes inside, but I really don't see anything. I just see a little bit of pink right here, just very slightly pink. Other than that, I don't see anything. It's very there are very few seeds, and it's very meaty. Oh, it's very refreshing. This tomato is very refreshing. It would make a very good slicing tomato, the sandwich tomato, and the flesh is very smooth and silky. It doesn't have much gel around the seeds, and it has a little bit of tartness and a little bit of citrusy flavor, but on the other hand, its sweetness is very high too. It's not medium sweet tomato. It is sweet tomato. White Oxheart. Yeah, these I do think it is a fresh eating tomato, and it would make a white pasta sauce too. I hope you will like this video. If you like it, please give thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Hopefully I will see you next time with my tomatoes. Okay, bye bye.